Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Brisket Recipes is probably one of the most sought-after culinary adventures, promising a journey into smoky, tender perfection. From the classic Texas-style barbecue to innovative twists on this beloved cut of meat, we'll explore a world of flavor profiles, cooking techniques, and mouth-watering results that will leave you craving more. This video dives deep into the art of brisket preparation, guiding you through the process of selecting the right cut, mastering the smoking or slow cooking techniques, and achieving that perfect balance of smoky bark and juicy tenderness. Number 5. Project Smoke Cookbook. Embark on a culinary journey with Project Smoke. This cookbook is your guide to achieving smoked food perfection. Master the art of smoking with our 7 easy-to-follow steps. It's simpler than you think to create incredible smoky flavors. From the quintessential brisket to other favorites, it features classic recipes perfected for the smoker. Dare to explore exciting flavor combinations. It includes unique recipes that will tantalize your taste buds. Discover a world of smoky delights with 100 recipes to choose from. There's something for every palate and skill level. This cookbook is brought to you by Stephen Rachlin, a renowned expert in barbecue and grilling. Trust his expertise to guide you. What we like. It offers a wide variety of recipes, from the classics to more adventurous options. If you're looking for a comprehensive guide to smoked food, this is the book for you. Its diverse recipes cater to both beginners and experienced pitmasters. What people say. One reason I reached for this book first was the certainty that Rachlin would give solid, reliable advice to help me get started. For example, he explains the options for flavoring the raw food, salting, curing, brining, marinades, etc. He makes the differences in smoking methods sound simple, and he includes easy-to-read charts for identifying which woods are used for smoking regionally. Ultimately, you turn to a book like this for the recipes, both the basics, just tell me how to make a brisket, and more exotic items. And as usual, Rachlin is a winner in every category. Chapters are devoted to basics and the 7 steps to smoking nirvana and explanations of smoker types, 35 pages on that, so it's far more than a vague arm wave, starters, beef, pork, lamb, burgers, sausages, and more, poultry, seafood, vegetables, side dishes, and meatless smoking, desserts, cocktails. Rachlin's brisket wisdom is legendary. He whispers brisket secrets to the moon, and it listens. His slam dunk brisket. It's like biting into a cloud made of smoky dreams. Number 4. Brisket Chronicles Cookbook. Learn to master the art of cooking brisket. This cookbook is your guide to incredible barbecue, braising, smoking, and curing techniques. Discover the secrets to perfectly barbecued brisket. It's a flavor explosion you won't forget. This book shows you how to braise brisket to tender perfection. It's an easy method for incredible results. Master the art of smoking brisket. Learn different techniques to achieve your desired smoky flavor. Unlock the secrets to curing brisket. This process adds a unique depth of flavor. It's more than just a cookbook, it's a journey into the world of brisket. Prepare to be amazed. What we like. This book focuses on the brisket, exploring various cooking techniques. If you are a brisket enthusiast and want to master this cut of meat, this is your go-to guide. It's perfect for those who want to explore different cooking styles for brisket. What people say. Stephen Rachlin, a true guru of barbecue and grilling techniques, his recipes are spectacular and his detailed instructions alone are worth the price of the book. Everything is well explained. He goes into the process of how brisket becomes so tender and wonderful, touches on the different types of grills smokers you can use, showcases many different styles and methods, and it's always enjoyable to read his experiences as well. Rachlin covers all brisket cooking techniques here. And they are all worthwhile. I do believe that he does zone in on smoked brisket, first and foremost. But he also does a fine job on the other techniques. Number 3. Jamie Geller's Brisket 101. Welcome to Jamie Geller's Brisket 101. Get ready to master the art of brisket cooking with our expert guide. This collection features 40 of the best brisket recipes, ensuring a perfect cut every time. Learn tips and tricks for amazing results. It's not just about the brisket, we've got incredible side dishes and slaws to complement it. Find the perfect pairings for your masterpiece. Don't let that delicious brisket go to waste. Discover creative ways to use leftovers in exciting new dishes. Get inspired. From preparation to cooking and beyond, this guide provides everything you need to become a brisket expert. Enjoy the journey. What we like. It provides a great selection of brisket recipes, along with complementary sides and ideas for using leftovers. If you love brisket and want a variety of options, this book is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to explore different ways to enjoy brisket. What people say. Jamie really did an amazing job describing each step and amounts, including a beautiful photo of what it's supposed to look like. This is an easy read with helpful instructions on cooking brisket, a cut of meat that can be really intimidating. I made her brisket recipe for Rosh Hashanah and there wasn't a single piece left over. Perfect recipe. Number 2. BBQ Journal for Pitmasters. It's more than just a journal, it's your personalized guide to mastering the art of barbecue. Keep track of every recipe in detail, ensuring your next cookout is even better than the last. Document your grilling and smoking experiences. Note down everything from the type of wood used to the internal temperature, creating a valuable resource for future barbecues. Never forget a winning recipe again. This journal lets you meticulously record each ingredient and cooking method, allowing you to recreate your culinary masterpieces. Level up your barbecue skills by analyzing your past cooks. This journal helps you identify what works and what doesn't, leading to consistent perfection. It's your own custom cookbook, filled with your unique barbecue creations. Share it with friends or keep it as a cherished record of your grilling journey. This journal simplifies the process of tracking your barbecue progress. It's the perfect tool for both beginners and experienced pitmasters. What we like. It's a unique barbecue journal where you can record your grilling and smoking experiences. If you're a pitmaster who likes to track your progress and personalize your recipes, this is a must-have. It's perfect for those who want to document their barbecue journey. What people say. It's going to be perfect for keeping track of our smokin' goodies. There were quite a few journals with fill-in-the-blank forms, but that's not my style. I spotted this blank line journal and with the saying on the front, "Too funny," scarfed it up ASAP. Number 1. 60 Prune Recipes Cookbook. Welcome to the world of prune recipes. This cookbook is your guide to delicious and easy prune-based dishes, perfect for beginners and experienced cooks alike. Discover the delightful taste of prune bread pudding. It's a classic dessert with a twist, easy to make and always a crowd pleaser. This recipe shows you how to add prunes to your beef brisket for an unexpected depth of flavor. It's a savory masterpiece. These savory stuffed mushrooms offer a unique combination of textures and tastes. The prunes add a surprising sweetness. Elevate your roasted chicken with the addition of prunes. It's a simple yet elegant dish that's perfect for any occasion. This cookbook also includes delicious recipes combining prunes with pumpkin and apples. These recipes are perfect for fall. What we like. While focused on prunes, it surprisingly includes a brisket recipe among its 60 offerings. If you're a beginner cook looking for diverse recipes, including a unique take on brisket, this book might be a fun surprise. It's perfect for those who enjoy exploring unusual recipe combinations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.